Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am getting ready to travel and I'm gonna be doing kind of a bit of traveling this weekend and next week. So I thought it would be kind of interesting to show you what makeup I am bringing with me. And in the meantime, I thought it would actually be kind of a nice way to show you how my makeup collection is now looking on the Alex 9 drawer unit. Okay, so without further ado, let's start packing. Okay, so here at the top I have this rose gold plate with my perfumes and also a new candle from Primark. I got my makeup brushes there in the back and my mirror and my sponges. Okay, so in the first drawer I thought I would keep in here kind of utensils, sponges, and I've also put in here the makeup that I've decluttered because I still haven't filmed the video I want to do with this. And I gotta take the eyelash curler, and I will also be taking my really dirty Real Techniques sponge. I will go through the brushes at the end then. So in the second drawer I've separated the makeup that I want to film next. So this is all of my Avon products and all my Cien Lidl makeup. I still haven't filmed with this Kiko foundation, and I also have, not gonna spoil it, a box of new makeup brushes. Just don't mind that little bit of a mess in the background. Okay, so in this drawer I have my face products. And I want to take the vitamin primer from Primark, and also from Primark I'll be taking the Fix and Perfect. So then for foundation I think I'll take two options. I'll take the Primark My Perfect Color 1, and I'll also take the Kiko powder foundation. This is very useful for when you don't have too much time. For concealer, I think I'll take the Revolution Conceal and Define and also the Kiko Free Soul Concealer. This is also very good for when you don't have too much time. And for powder, I already have that foundation, but I'll be taking the Banana Pressed powder from Primark. And that is it for this drawer. Then on the next drawer I have the blushes and highlights and things like that. So I think I'll probably just take a palette that has everything. So I have in here my blushes, bronzers, highlighters. In here I have liquid and cream stuff. And I've got my palettes in here, and I think I will take the Freedom palette that has a little bit of everything. Okay, in this, oh, I skipped one. In this is the last thin drawer. I have my small eye things. So I want to take what's easy to work with. I will take my Kiko Neutral Eye Base. I'll take the Revolution Pro Brow Pomade. I want a waterproof mascara, so I'll be taking the Extra Sculpt from Kiko. I don't know if I'll be doing eyeliner or not, but I'll take the NYX Epic Ink Liner that I think is very easy to work with. And then for a pencil liner, I'll take the iHeart Revolution multi-liner pen because it's got a little bit of everything. Okay, so onto my eyeshadow palette drawer. this is what it's looking like, and I've already given a little bit of thought to what I want to bring. So I'm going to bring the Tammy Revolution eyeshadow palette that I've already done a video with, and I really want to do more looks with this, so I'll take this one. And now onto the final makeup drawer. I have in here my lipsticks. So I think I want to take some kind of a nude color and a more bright one. I think I'll take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Cannes. This is very wearable. And something more out there. I think I'll take the Kiko Dark Treasure lipstick and something a little bit different. I really want to use this gray lipstick from Kiko, so I think this is more than enough. And I want to show you my two bottom drawers. So in this one I've put my skincare, and I think I'll take this hair clip, and I will also need these makeup wipes, and I already have a moisturizer on my bathroom bag, so I think I won't be taking any more stuff. And then finally on the last drawer I have my nail polish collection, some backups of cotton pads, nail utensils, things like that. Okay, so in my bathroom bag I already have a sample size of my favorite perfume, that is the Good Girl. And okay, for face brushes I already have the sponge. I'll take this small one that is kind of good for powder and for bronzer. I'll take my highlight brush, and I think that will be enough. And for my eye brushes, I need a brush for my eyebrows and like one or two blending brushes, a smaller one, and I will also take the spoolie brush and just another more, just like 2 or 3 brushes. Okay, so basically I have a spoolie and an angled brush for my brows. I have 2 fluffy blending brushes and a smaller one. I have a more dense brush, a flat one and a short one. Oh, and I forgot, I will be stuffing all of that makeup in this makeup bag from Primark. This is a really cute marble bag and it's very big, so it will fit all of that very well. So I think that will be more than enough for this week or 2, and yeah, that was a very simple video, but I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to show me your support. So yeah, that is everything for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!